happened, Biscuit? Hmm? Lulu take your treat, did he? Did she? Hey, Biscuit? What you got to say for yourself, Lulu? What, tasty? Poor Biscuit. I know, he got so excited there and she came along and stole it. Oh, no! Vicky, unimpressed, are you? It's unlike you to have a go at Lulu. I know, Lulu. Yeah, she's not happy with you. He's not happy with you. No, he's not. You stole his treat. Yeah. Very unlike Biscuit. Hey, Vicky. You're asserting yourself, Biscuit. Yeah, I can get it though, really. Hey, Lulu. Yeah. Biscuit takes you pretty well. He does. But that was crossing the line there. Biscuit's line. Poor Biscuit.